Guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a package unboxing video. This package is from my friend Tsuchronicl. I bought some stuff from her store, so that is what this is. And this one is a surprise package from my friend Domenica. I actually should not have put that red washing on top, but I had to secure where we live at because we have strange people in this world. So I'm just going to open up Sue's first since I know what's inside, and then Domenica's I will save for last. And as you can see, Sue legit stepped up her taping game because this package is all taped on all corners. So I will pause and come back when I get it open. So hold on. Alrighty, so I carefully cut the top of this. So yeah, so I'm going to take it out this way. Alright, because I saw the note. So right here is the note, and it states, like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute, man. Alrighty, so she states, Nyrel, with a lot of hearts. Thank you so much for your order. Hope you enjoy the goodies, Sue. And this is actually a glitter pen. I don't know if the glitter comes off really well on my camera, but it's glittery. Like, oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Sue. I legit had to buy from her shop because I've been dying over all these enamel pens she's been making over the past couple of months now. So I'm like, let me be cohesive in this package and buy something that's legit one thing. And I actually bought a Sailor Moon pen, which you will see when I open it right here. But then I actually bought a sticker to go with the pen. So again, I tried to be cohesive as possible. So I'm going to remove the letter as easily as I can because I'm Alrighty, so now we're gonna get this open, and ooh, this is actually my first time having one of her business cards because normally me and her and Domenica would just send actual packages to each other, but this is my first time ordering something from her store. So I officially have Sue's business card. These are all her links, so go check her out. She's really sweet, and all of her stuff is so stinking cute, and I will have a link to what I got in my description box below if you're interested, because all of Sue's stuff is legit affordable, and I'm just like, wow, okay, because a lot of people have these type of items really expensive, but guys, you can afford everything that I got. But I'm going to flip it over because I'm legit making this a lot more trouble than it should be, but taking that away, and it's actually supported with really nice cardboard. I think that's what it is. It might be poster board. I don't know. So I'm going to take all these stickers off the sheet. All right. And this is actually the sticker I ordered, is Luna and Artemis being so cute. I really want to do like fan art of their human designs because oof, Artemis is gorgeous. But yes, I live for this. And these are the extras. Oh my gosh. So this is Evie. This is Evie. Look how cute this is. And here is, this isn't Sylvia. This is, Glaceon. That's her name. Like, I'm so far behind with Pokemon. But yeah, this is Glaceon. She is so cute. She is the cutest, man. Alright, so now we're gonna open up the meat of the package, like I said, which is the enamel pen. I've never had an enamel pen before, so I'm legit excited to see what it's gonna look like because oof, they always look so cool from the cameras. There we go. And we're just gonna wrap this really pretty cushioning paper, like, oh my gosh. Okay, alrighty, and ooh, woo. Okay, alrighty. Okay, so we're going to flip it over in 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my gosh, look how cute that is! Oh my gosh, I'm like like so scared to actually take it out the packaging because more than likely I'm going to keep it forever in the packaging because I don't like wearing this type of stuff because I want to treat it like art. But oh my gosh, guys, look at this. She actually had two different versions of this pen. You can either get the Sailor Moon version or the Cardcaptor Sakura version. But of course, I had to do Sailor Moon. And oof, this is so nice. And it feels so good to touch. So I'm probably going to put this back in the packaging. But oh my gosh, guys, please, 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 please order from my friend Sue. She's super good, super nice. And I will actually start, I just dropped it by accident. Don't die on me. Check out Sue. Please check her out. So that's it for her package. So now we're moving on to the package I don't want to open. Because, I don't know why Domenica does this to me. I really don't know why she does this. But now that I can send regular mail to her, you better watch out. Because my mailman would not let me ship anything to her because of their mail strikes. But now that it's over with, well, it was over like a month ago. But now that my mailman has let me send normal stuff to Canada, it's coming, Domenica. It's coming. So I'm going to unflap this. All right. Can I find the note? I actually see the note through the backing. Is this a note? Is this a note? Is this a note? Yep. There's a note. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. I hate that the mailman bent it. Like, oh my gosh. This could have been a perfect note. My mailman had to ruin it. Alright. Okay. Hello, Nyrel. Happy Valentine's Day. On this day, I'm usually staring. I thought that said sharing. But it's staring. Okay. Let me repeat. On this day, I'm usually staring at gorgeous anime boys on my phone or computer. I do that every day. Cause is forever alone, JK. So I thought to myself, this year I should send my awesome friend some gorgeous boyos. Guys, don't be a fool to this. Pretty much. So this year, I thought I should kill Nyrel like I do every year. Alright, so in this letter are 6 special stickers just for you of some cutie patooties. Hope you love them. Love, Domenica. I like how she put that in air quotes. Love, Domenica. P.S. For your safety and your life, I didn't include Almine this time. See, no, she's nice to me. See, Domenica, I knew you loved me. But, I know she knows there are a lot of other boyos that would kill me just as much as Almine. So I am like shook to see what's in here. Oh my gosh. So let's just get this over with because it's 1 o'clock and I don't need to be this excited. Alright. I think she has it flipped over the right way. Alright, okay. Because I always flip it over the wrong way. And I hate myself for doing that. So that's it for this. I'm going to put it over here. So, yes. So again, the Valentine's Day stickers. It says, kisses, crazy for you, and hugs. And I'm going to have to flip this over because it has their names on the back. Crap. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no. Okay. We're just gonna remove for safety, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on my phone so you can see it a lot better. But I will put it close to the camera if you can't see. So the first one is actually of my character Richie. Look at this. It's so cute. If you guys don't know, I freaking love her style, man, and I just love her chibi-esque style. Like anything from Domenica will melt your heart, honestly. So here is Richie. Okay. So we're gonna move on. And this is his boyfriend, Lucas. This is Domenica Domenica's character. We actually made a yaoi couple, and look at the precious babes, the precious boyfriends. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I gotta put them together. All right, so we're gonna reveal the next one. So 1, 2, 3, go! It's crispy! It's crispy! This is actually the very first official, like, sticker merch I got from anybody of Crispy, because Domenica loves some Crispy. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, look at him! Being all sassy, because that's Crispy Samchi for you. I wonder who is behind Crispy. I'm shook. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Almine doesn't kill me this much, but you had to send freaking Maya. You had to send freaking Maya. Out of all husbandos, you had to send Maya. If you guys don't know, I'm legit a high-key fangirl of Hidoka Shinaide. I own all the books. I will soon own the art book of Hidoka Shinaide. I freaking love this series, and let me tell you, Maya makes me feel some type of way that I never felt before. You take it in whatever context you want to take it. And I freaking love me some Maya. I love me some him. Oh my gosh, this is too precious. I will never use this. I would never use it. I would never use it. Oh, okay. I gotta move on, man. I gotta move on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Ah, no! Oh, it's my Chinese husband. Some shorter wog. I just finished Banana Fish, and I'm just like, this brings back up the feels. It brings back up the feels, man. My Chinese husband. I love shorter so much. All right, I gotta move on, man. I gotta move on. So 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! It's Taiga! He is from Camp Buddy. Domenica has been fangirling to me over this game literally for the past week. I'm not even lying to you guys. Everything I hear from her is Camp Buddy. And I love this character, Taiga. She says he's not available yet in the game. You have to wait for him to pop up. But she was just like, around, I know you love him. And I'm just like, yes, he's too precious. Look at him. Look at him. He's so precious. And I already deem him Sime. Like, he is so much Sime material because Camp Buddy is a yaoi rated 18 game. So we're just legit having the time of our lives, depending which characters are Sime and Uke. And he's a Sime. Most def a Sime, man. But oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Domenica, for all of these lovely stickers. I am just like, oh my gosh. Like, every time I think I have you, I don't, which is a sad thing, because I always try to be like, I can up my friends, but no, they just know me too well. So that is it for this video, guys. Again, I really hope you liked seeing all the stuffs that I got from my friends. Again, I will link all of their stuff in my description box below, so you can go check them out, because they deserve all the love and all the support. And I'll put Sue's stuff here too, just to kind of make it complete. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!